How to attract top talented to your organization. The only path to success for big organizations is hiring young and talented individuals who can take it to higher ranks of success, because it is one-stop solution for any organization's growth. Hiring managers should pay special attention to hiring the right fit for that organization. This sounds pretty easy, doesn't it? Here's the catch. Managing a pool of talented professionals is one thing and finding them is another. Now, how do companies find talent? If you have ever hired individuals, you must know how the pain it takes from shortlistings to hiring the required fit. This video will help you with this painstaking process. Importance of talent in your organization at present. More than anything, organizations these days need a fresh perspective thanks to ever-developing technology. Hiring these days, it's not about shortlisting resumes and casual interviews. The competition has increased manyfold in recent years between the candidates looking for their dream jobs or organizations looking for their ideal talented employees. Since the competition is cutthroat, there is no room for any mistake. One bad hire means one lost talent and the money wasted. Hiring talented professionals, it's not just progressive, it is economical as well. This is why you should only look for people who have the potential to take your organization to new heights. 15 best ways to attract the right talent for your organization. Attracting talented individuals, it's not easy, especially at a time when every other organization is rooting for them. Let me explain the best 15 ways to change your hiring game. The first one is offer the right environment for growth. Talent resides where there is a scope for growth. No sane individual would want to work for any organization that offers no chance to grow and transform. It is smart to let the individual know outright the opportunities they will get them while working for you. The main concern of young and talented professionals is finding a platform where they can spread their horizon and multiply their learnings. Once they know your organization is inclined towards their learning and development, they will definitely choose your organization over the others. Number 2, level up the social media game. Both millennials and Gen Z use social media on a daily basis, and their life is immensely influenced by it. Having a good social media presence is a must if you want to attract the youth. Brands like LinkedIn, Nike, Twitter, Burger King, etc. have taken the social media game to another level, hence gathering enough attention from the youth. Today's generation is more inclined towards brands that understand the youth and more flexible. If you use social media to showcase the work environment, happy employees, and perks of working in your organization, talented youth will come to you like a moth to a flame. A strong social media presence will attract ample talent to your organization, hence making it easier for hidden gems to choose your brand over another. The third one is to work upon the vision and mission of the organization. A great organization has a clear vision of the future, along with a long-term mission. Without the vision and mission, organizations fail miserably, no matter how talented the workforce is. Having the right goals and objectives attracts the target employees. Your vision could be anything progressive, something that includes development and advancement altogether. Also, keep in mind that your vision should be clear to the employee from day one. Number 4, incentivize learning. Learning is an integral part of everyone's life. Organizations that incentivize learning are more popular than the ones that don't. Incentivize not only make employees feel good and keep them motivated, but also encourage more employees to try new things. Incentives could be anything, ranging